Hey, this is Blake here at FTD Customs, and today I'm going to be going over some information about our chrome Raptor wheel for our Harley touring models. Alright, so this particular configuration is a 21-inch wheel. It's got a Dunlop 130/60/21 on it, and what we like about these tires in particular is, unlike with the Pirellis and some of the other 120/70/21s, this one for like older bikes, 13 and down, 08 and down especially, you don't have to drill the fender and rock the fender or do anything like that. It'll just fit right under there, no issues at all. This wheel is triple chrome plated. It's guaranteed for a lifetime on the finish. If there's ever any issues, we will take care of it, be it mechanically or anything to do with the finish. So this particular configuration here, it is set up for a 14 and newer Harley touring model for stock rotors, or stock rotors will bolt on right here. We also have an option for our polished floating rotors, which will, same thing, just bolt up right here. This one has got an ABS bearing in it here. They're usually yellow in color, and you'll be able to tell because the non-ABS bearings will be more recessed, so there will be a little bit of a gap from the top of the hub to the bearing if you're ever confused on that. These are available. We can make them for pretty much all Harleys, all the touring models, Road Glide, Street Glide, Road King, Electric Glide, most of the Softails, most of the Fat Boys, Honda Gold Wings, Victory, Cross Countries, Indian Chieftains, Challengers, Roadmasters, and we also have rears to match, I'm pretty sure, every single one of those. The tire is balanced internally with Dynabeads, so you won't ever have any weights. You know, you're going to spend much money on a wheel. You don't want to have any ugly weights showing, especially on a chrome wheel like this one where it's very wide open, you can see everything. Like I said, anything, if there's ever a mechanical issue, if you ever got any pulsation or vibration, we'll take care of it. It's usually a very simple fix. Like I said, the chrome is guaranteed for a lifetime. If it ever starts coming off, we make a brand new one, send it to you, and you're good to go. Everything is 100% made in the USA in our shop, just north of Nashville, Tennessee. That will wrap up all the information on our chrome Raptor wheel.